out with my dog Gracie, who actually likes the wild turkeys. And the turkeys, seen her so many times, she doesn't go after them. They started to get used to her. But if they saw another dog, they would start making noises and take off. That just happened from many hours and weeks and months of interacting with each other to build that trust up. My other dog, they don't know him, Roman, as well as Gracie, and as soon as they see him, they all start making warning noises. But they don't do that with Gracie. And me and Gracie last year actually followed these turkeys every evening up to their roost through the blizzards, snowstorms, right at dark. But come on, Grace. Gracie's a good dog. She's a special dog. And I'm hoping to get Roman down to interact with these turkeys, but he's too young and hyper. He likes to run around a lot, and the turkeys would get nervous. Okay, gotta go. Bye.